Alright, I'm making this video. Hold on. I'm making this video right now for the guy that wanted me to show you step by step. This is step by step on how to fix your wireless headset. This one. And I'll show you. So this now. Okay. First off, we start with. Hold on. Clean this up. Start with the unplugging of this, which is this. Let's see if we can get this done in the right amount of time. Alright, now it asks for a three-way when you do the screw. I don't know if my camera will get that. Let's see real quick. We can get up close. No, it's not letting me. Anybody would get it. I use a knife. It's real easier for me because I can catch one of the sides and just start turning with it. So I'm gonna try to unscrew this real quick before the time runs out. See if I can get this. There goes the first one. I'm getting the second one right now. Hold on. Just little tiny screws. Once that is all, then you're gonna want to take off the thing. You already know how to do that. The video show you. Okay, make sure you remove the battery real lightly. I know it's kind of hard not to because it's kind of sticking. That's alright. Take that out. I'm having trouble with mine, but alright. Once it's out, you got that. Looks like that, alright? On mine, if you pay attention, I already fixed it. Because you can see the little plastic stuff that's there and stuff. Alright, well behind it, I'm going to take it off because I can easily fix it again. And I usually don't use it because I use these Turtle Beaches that I have on. Okay. Once you're there, like that, hold on, let me get the light down here real quick. Once there, right, there's a little brass rod that comes out of this little box right here. This one. It's that little brass rod that's inside of the charger hole. It's gonna be, if you're looking at it from this way, it's gonna be on the right side. If you're looking at it from this way, it's gonna be on the left side. Okay, make sure you get a rod to go in there, right? And you can barely even see it. It comes like right out of it. Hold on, let me see if I can get a good view of that. Awesome. Okay, right above these two little thingies right here, there's gonna be a platform right down in there that little brass thing needs to hit. I know you're not able to see it, but I'm trying my hardest. Hold on. Yeah, let's see. Let's hold it like that. I'll do it. Oh, getting off camera. Little silver plate right there. Right at the charger. Solder that. Once you solder that, put everything back up like usual. Put it together like usual. Once you do it, bam, green lights. Thanks for the tutorial. Comment, you know, the whole YouTube thing.